Three, two, one, travel. Hello, amigo Ceci here, having a cup of tea in a slightly cold day in Florida. Well, cold for me. Today, I want to talk to you about something that I'm working on, which is Mother's Day. It's been a long time, 13 years, since I created another Mother's Day cruise. I know it is for some people, some others rather to be home with everybody, but for the ones that would like to have a Mother's Day without worrying about anything, no cleaning, no cooking, nothing but just bonding with your loved ones and really being in a space of a complete peace or just ease, being at ease, which is something that the cruise provide. When you have everything included, there's no bills to pay at the end of the dinner. There's nothing more gratifying than just having that peace of mind, in my experience. So I want to talk to you about this Mother's Day cruise. We decided on the Utopia for the length. It's Friday through Monday, so more people could just get off Friday afternoon and catch up with work on Monday, because some other schedules were a little too long and a lot of people have other vacations scheduled. So we understand, but in this case, the focus is the Mother's Day, which is a Sunday, May 9th. So we have the Utopia set up for us with a group rate that it will give us some perks on board, and it's departing May 8th. Again, I will put the links here, but I want to tell you, my family, our party of 6 will be there, some of my siblings as well, and I wanted to invite you to take this opportunity. You don't have to hang with us, but I guarantee you will have fun. But it's about bonding on your family. I really created for you to create your own family reunion, so you can have your own tables, your own things that I can help you plan. This cruise only goes to Bahamas. With Friday to Monday, there's no time to go farther, but it is just beautiful. You're going to the private island, and the quality of the food of Royal Caribbean, the quality of the vessel, the Utopia, is just second to newest. So you're going to be in awe in every corner and every deck that you go and see and enjoy it. I can't wait for my Mother's Day. That is going to be just so relaxing. So I invite you to, if you're a mom, to do your I would like to go on a cruise for Mother's Day. I didn't do that one, but anyway, it just came up. Or if you're a children, and you want to just honor your mom that weekend, where there's no cooking, cleaning, or anything, just it's all about her, all about doing what she likes the most. And if you're like any 99.9% of mothers, all we want is to be with our kids. And if that is possible, if you have that blessing to have your mother, I think that this is a great opportunity. Very inexpensive, start at $800. So that's what I want to say. My just last word is, like, time does not wait. Look at all the things that are happening around the world. If you can have an opportunity to bond with someone away from your regular, it's not the same at home. I try to create also bonding and family time. Yeah, it's great, but there's something magical about going away. It is, and that becomes the most treasured memories. So create those for your mom. Goodbye.